we'll be taking a look on how to add flickering lights to your levels. So what we're going to do is open up our base level. You can find this in chapter 6 here on your CD. Just lights_base. Okay, and then once this level loads up, it's the same level as we worked with before. So what I'm going to do is basically add 2 orange flickering lights and a flickering green light to show that it's basically the end of the level. So over in our library window, I'm going to click on markers here, and I'm just going to choose a yellow light to try and keep within the certain colors here. Now I'm just going to tone the light down. I'll tone it down quite a bit here, and then I'll just left click, right click to get that off, and then right click on the light to go into its properties. Now currently static mode is set to yes. I want to set this to no, so that it basically says that this light is dynamic and it can basically flicker, it can be turned on and off. And what we want to use is, if you go into your main scripts here and click the ellipse, is you want to look for light 2, which basically will make the light flicker on and off. So now you can hit apply changes, and what I'll do, I'll change it up a little bit, is I'll use let me just scroll down here, I'll use a blue light on the other side just to show you some neat tricks here. I'll make this one a little bigger. Now if you notice, currently right now this light is static. If you press the letter Y on your keyboard, I pressed T there, let me change this again. Now if you try Y, you'll notice that it changes to a dynamic automatically, so it kind of saves you a step there. And again, if you wanted to switch back to static, you would press Y again. So we want a dynamic light, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Y, left click to place it, and then right click to get this last light off my cursor here. Of course, the last step, I have to right click and go into its properties. We already set it to dynamic mode, so I'm just going to change the main script to say light 2, because we already know the script, we don't have to go and load it in. So I'm going to apply these changes, pick my green light, go up to the top here, make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to press Y on my keyboard, left click. Again, I'll have this extra light which I need to get rid of, so I'll right click. Now you'll notice again that this light isn't actually the best to see, but once you mouse over, if you get it in the center, you should just be able to right click, view your light, change it to light 2. Again, we set the mode to dynamic, say apply changes, and now when you run your game, you'll have a flickering orange light, a flickering blue light, and then when you open this door, you'll have a flickering green light near the end. So I'm just going to save this for you, just so you can refer to it basically anytime you want, with lights_flicker.